Greetings everyone. Today we are going to cover 7 best and free SEMrush courses by Udemy. Take your digital marketing skills to modern statues with SEMrush Courses. Investigate a run of comprehensive online courses outlined to assist you ace SEO, PPC, substance showcasing, social media, and more. Learn from industry specialists, pick up common sense abilities through hands-on workout, and remain up to date with the most recent trends and strategies. 7th course, SEO. Learn SEO with SEMrush by Udemy. This course has been made by Tom Clark. How to use SEMrush to get amazing SEO results. Topics covered in this course are: how to know what keywords your competitor is ranking for, how to track your keyword rankings, using the SEMrush site audit tool, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages. Do SEO at a beginner to intermediate level. Do SEO keyword research to understand what your site should be aiming to rank for in Google. Know how to stalk competitors' techniques and replicate their success. This course is for anyone looking to learn SEO, freelance SEOs, business owners looking to improve their SEO. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 6th course, SEMrush Tutorial. Using Project and Increase Online Visibility by Udemy. This course has been made by Alston Anthony. SEMrush Beginner Tutorial Course. Topics covered in this course are: setting up SEMrush project, in-depth tutorial on project's features. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: setting up a SEMrush project toolkit, full in-depth guide on using SEMrush all-in-one digital marketing tool, how to set up SEMrush for SEO. This course is for people who want to use SEMrush to digitally market their website. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 5th course, SEMrush Site Audit Plus Extended SEMrush Free Trial by Udemy. This course is made by Alex Genadinik. SEMrush is one of the best SEO industry apparatuses. Learn SEMrush for link building, on-page SEO, and much more. Topics covered in this course are: fixing links, keyword investigate, SEO location review with SEMrush, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: competitor link research, competitor keyword research, SEO location audit. This course is for SEO freelancers, people doing SEO for their website. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 4th course, the Ultimate SEMrush Guide by Udemy. This course is made by Wilhelm Laubach. Update your SEO and SEM abilities utilizing SEMrush to be a more profitable and higher-earning advanced marketer. Topics covered in this course are: getting started on SEMrush, keyword research, advanced know-how. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: how to utilize SEMrush, how to use SEMrush's keyword research tools, how to create audits using SEMrush. This course is for website owners, SEO experts, Google advertisements experts. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. 3rd course, SEMrush Keyword Research Course, 10x your traffic now, by Udemy. This course was made by Sammy Thwillier. Find the most excellent catchphrases for your site, boost your substance quality, and outrank your competitors with SEMrush. Topics covered in this course are: set up your SEMrush venture and ace the ABCs of keywords. Prepare your watchword inquire about and saddle existing keywords. Performing a watchword inquire about from A to Z. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: master the ABCs of keywords, unravel watchword measurements in SEMrush, spot winning catchphrases with SEMrush. This course is for entrepreneurs willing to move forward their site without a developer. Small trade owners willing to progress their site without an agency. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. Second course, SEMrush Advanced Keyword Research. Unlock SEO Success by Udemy. This course has been made by Ricky Wallace. Ace Progress Watchword Inquire about strategies and competitor inquire about utilizing SEMrush, and at long last dominate Google to begin with page. Topics covered in this course are SEO Basics, Laying the Foundations, Competitor Research, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages. Learn to overwhelm the look motors by saddling the foremost effective watchwords for your business. Drill profound down into competitor inquire about and spy on your competitors' best performing and most beneficial keywords. This course is perfect for total apprentices who need to skip straight to the exceptionally best strategies. Level up your existing information of catchphrase investigate so you'll rule and outrank your competitors. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. First course, the complete SEMrush course, ranked number 1 on Google Now by Udemy. This course has been made by Sammy Thwillier. Learn to optimize your site for SEO, take the positions of your competitors, and type in superior substance utilizing SEMrush. Topics covered in this course are: set up your SEMrush extend and track your SEO efforts, SEMrush project, social media and complementary instruments, competitive inquire about in SEMrush, and many more. After connecting with the course, you will receive the following advantages: master SEMrush interface like a pro. Set up your SEMrush venture to track all your SEO efforts. Improve your positioning on Google by yourself. Much obliged to SEMrush. This course is for entrepreneurs willing to move forward their site without a developer. Small commerce proprietors willing to progress their site without an agency. SEO professionals. To enroll in this course, click the link in the description. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be updated on online courses. Thanks for watching.